Good evening guys, welcome back to my channel. So in this video I'll show you how to install the screen protector on the TFT display of your Duke 390. So for those of you who do not know, it's very easy to maintain a KTM bike, right? It's very easy to get it serviced from anywhere, from any of the KTM service center, but it comes with some premium parts just like the TFT display, if you look at the lights as well. So the TFT display will cost you almost 18,000 rupees and that light itself will cost you 28,000 rupees. So why not go ahead and protect your TFT display with the screen protector, right guys? So let's get started. So let's unbox this screen protector. Here it is. It's a direct fit for your TFT display, guys. You don't have to do any kind of alteration or any kind of modification. Just have to simply install it on your TFT display. So as you can see right over here, this is the front part and this is the back part. So the front will be on the top, as you can see. So first you need to remove the back part and you have to simply apply it on your TFT display. But before that, as you can see, the screen is quite dusty right now, so you need to clean it with a glass cleaner and a microfiber cloth. Apply some glass cleaner on this and simply wipe it with a microfiber cloth. Make sure that all the dust are completely removed from the screen. So now it looks neat. Also, before you apply the screen guard, here are the instructions. You can go through the instructions. Clean your screen thoroughly so that no dust or lint is present on it. Hold on the sides of the protector. Peel the sheet marked 1, revealing, that's the back part. That means you need to remove the back part first and then you need to slowly apply it on the screen. Okay, make sure you don't touch the adhesive side of the protective film. Okay, align it on one of the edges and check for the film alignment with the rest of the TFT screen. Gently start applying on the screen while simultaneously pulling off sheet 1. So the sheet 1 is on the top, the rear one, right? So even out of any bubbles by pushing them to the edges. Okay, so here is the moment of truth. So guys, if you like this video, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. Till then, take care.